Turn around. To change direction and face the opposite way. She turned around to wave at me. When I called him, he turned around and smiled. Blow out. To extinguish a flame by blowing air on it. She made a wish and blew out the candles. I blew out the candle and went to bed. Walk off. To leave a place suddenly, often because you are angry or upset. Don't walk off in the middle of a talk. I walked off because I didn't want to argue. Wipe off. To clean or remove something like dust, dirt, or liquid using a cloth, tissue, or hand. She wiped off the window after the rain stopped. Wipe off the phone screen, it's dirty. Read out. To read something aloud so that others can hear. Please read out the first page of the book. Please read out what is written on the board. Rub out. To erase or remove something, like pencil marks or writing. Rub out the drawing on the board. Please rub out that word and write it again. Dry off. To remove water or moisture from something or someone, usually after getting wet. Dry off your face, it's wet. Dry off your feet before coming inside. Note down. To write something so you don't forget it later. Please note down my phone number. I forgot to note down the homework. Doze off. To fall asleep for a short time without planning to. I was so tired that I dozed off on the bus. She dozed off in the middle of the class. Blow up. To explode. The bomb will blow up if you touch it. Something blew up in the kitchen. Blow up. To fill something with air, like a balloon. She is blowing up balloons for the party. The football is flat. Can you blow it up? Chop up. To cut something into small pieces. Please chop up the vegetables for the soup. He is chopping up the tomatoes for the salad. Close down. To shut a place, permanently or for a long time, like a shop, school, or company. Our favorite bakery closed down last month. Many stores closed down during the pandemic. Fall off. To drop down from something, like a bike, chair, or wall, by accident. I fell off the ladder and twisted my ankle. My phone fell off the table and cracked. Go off. To explode or make a loud noise, used for alarms, bombs, fireworks, etc. My alarm goes off at 6 a.m. every morning. The fire alarm went off in the middle of the night. Flip over. To turn something to the other side quickly or suddenly. Flip over the pancake before it gets burnt. I flipped over the card to see the picture. Give away. To give something to someone for free, without asking for money. I will give away all my old clothes to charity. They will give away free food at the event. He gave his bike away to his younger brother. Hang out. To spend time with someone in a relaxed way. Let's hang out at my place tonight. I used to hang out with him in college. Knock down. To hit someone or something and make them fall to the ground. He knocked down the bully with one punch. He knocked down the glass of water by mistake. The wind was so strong, it knocked down the tree. Knock down. To demolish or destroy a building or structure. They are knocking down the old house. They will knock down the old theater to make a parking lot. Pass out. To faint or become unconscious suddenly. She was dancing, then suddenly passed out. My friend passed out during the morning assembly. Talk back. To answer someone rudely or disrespectfully. Don't talk back to your elders, it's disrespectful. I told him not to talk back to me again. Try on. To put clothes or things on your body to see if they fit or look nice. Did you try on the jeans before buying them? He tried on 3 pairs of shoes but didn't like any.